ready to roll now?
Yes.
Oh, you look nice. You got your little sun hat on. Yeah,
Now see, babe. Okay, I got us ready to go. Good morning. Good morning for us. Okay, so this is Come on a Date with Us Sunday morning. We're going to be adventurous. I'll save that clip for next. But we're going to be adventurous. But first we got to stop and get more supplies. Babe, it's his idea, by the way. He been wanting to do this for a while, right?
Yeah. I think I'm going to go down this way.
And we got about an hour drive to get there, right?
Yep.
Hour drive to the adventure. Both of our first times doing this together and our first time visiting this place. So excited. I love a good date. I love a good date. I classify everything as a date. Bae will take it out of a date depending on how he feel, and then I'll just like roll with it. Right? So is this a date, Bae?
Yes.
An adventurous date too.
It's definitely a date.
We about to live on the edge. Literally, we about to live on the edge, kind of.
Do you think so?
Yeah, we really are though, for real. Now that I think about it. Yeah. There's Bae. Bae. We don't need no life jackets.
They might offer them.
Huh?
They might offer them.
Oh.
Hey, stop being nervous. Let the water do get like really
We get dumped out.
Yeah, so yeah. It's gonna be
We're actually on Mother Nature.
we're gonna be hitting rocks and stuff, boom, getting bounced around. Like
Is any of this stuff can come out?
Yeah.
And we can lose it?
And us. And they got alligators.
You know what?
Take a picture. What is this heavy thing?
You like that?
Huh? We definitely got enough to last us a couple days just in case some stuff pop off.
Survival.
You already got a rope on yours, big guy?
Oh. Is that water cold? I don't want to be wet if I don't have to be.
Hey.
Hey. You didn't prepare me.
I know we had to actually physically get in the water.
Like, I'm scared to put my feet. The water's right here. Like, it's bam bam. I don't know how deep it is. You got lots of people drifting. Just drifting down the river. Okay. We're tied together by this tiny little string here.
Let me take off my shoes.
I know it, babe. You want me to help you? Oh, God. You want me to help?
No.
Yeah, I can get this one. See, don't tip over. Don't tip over. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Ooh,
Ooh, my feet got in there.
ooh.
My feet got in there.
Look where I got my... It ain't no other way to... There's no other way to put them. And we're just drifting with the water. Like, just letting the current just take us down.
This is so cool.
And then our cooler is right here on its own little float in our dry bag. Which, babe, can you reach that stuff? Cause we about to get turned up now. Come on.
Hey.
We'll get us some music going. Hey, got us a little party on the river. So facing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we just gotta do the hand thing.
Well, we gotta go the same way, babe. Hold on, wait. We gotta go the same way.
Already turning. Pull you over. Pick up with your what?
Lord, please protect our feet. I'll give you those. You give me this.
That's heavy. Why so heavy?
That is stuff in here.
God, no. We wait now. You good?
Mm-hmm. Down, man, down.
Look, you gotta help.
Oh!
Drama. He ain't gonna help.
This, look at this. Babe, you good over here, baby? Oh, shucks. Hey.
Huh? Hey. Chilling, babe.
Look at that up there, babe. We're trying to get over there to the exit sign. And we're not getting out in this freaking water and walking over there. So we're trying to paddle our way over here with these flip-flops and things.
You the spin master. You just been paddling the whole time.
Look, we're practicing when we get our boat, right? Ain't this good practice?
This is great practice.
This is probably, okay, we're drifting away. We gotta go back. We gotta keep it near the, one good span toward it and it'll be, the game warden is out here, y'all. Look at him over there on the hill. Checking things
bring
out.
us in, baby. Let's bring us in.
Okay.
That's how you do it. You see that?
You getting it back? Oh, it's a bunch of deep rocks right here too, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Look, I'm telling you, we do not want to get out in this bacteria pool with our body. Oh my goodness, baby, we're stuck right here. We can't get no closer. How? How so? Okay. I'm trying, babe. Okay. Oh, it's slimy in there. It's so slimy. But we can't get any closer. We're on the last rock, okay? Oh, God. But how do we get unhooked, though? Oh!
Wait, you ain't gotta pull me in. You pulling me in. Could I get Hey, let me get down.
Okay,
Stop
come on.
Me in.
I'm helping you to the better area, babe.
I don't need it.
Take the help.
I don't need it.
Take the
I
help.
don't need the help. Oh, God.
Look at his
Oh,
face.
shit.
Look at your face.
Oh, God.
Look at your pants wear.
So,
Okay.
take this.
Okay, so we are done. 3 hours later, we're down to the bottom and we just walking back across from the river to our vehicle way over here. And those people are taking a group picture. How was it, babe?
I really enjoyed myself, relaxing.
Their pants is wet. I'm
I
wet.
say dry all the way up to the end.
I have to use the bathroom. You probably have to use the bathroom too. We done drank the Mike's Hard Lemonade. This was a good date. What's the river again?
Dan River.
Dan River in North Carolina. I'm feeling real good. Huh?
Madison Walnut Cove.
Madison Walnut Cove. Just Google Dan River rafting, Dan River tubing, something of that nature. And we'll see y'all on the next day. Tell them bye-bye.
Hey.